Algorand's EMA10 sort of shows a descending pattern, or so they truly thought. As far as Algo support floor, it especially is currently 29 cents in a huge manner. Algo essentially rose 9.12% in 7 days, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Algorand fundamentally is as of now esteemed at 18 cents 12 February 2024. In this video we'll walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these habitually really clarified some things, facts, what especially is momentary cost expectation for Algorand, generally is Algo for the most part wise speculation, which by and large is genuinely critical. Algorand support and opposition levels and so forth, genuinely further appearance how Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Algo specialized investigation, essentially let us explicitly discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, or so they for the most part thought. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there really was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the whole digital currency market to $1,786,952,369,650 kind of additional appearance, how Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, exceptionally further appearance how Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, which generally is very huge. The in every practical sense, absolute exchanging volume really remains at $45,892,662,127, which by and large is very huge. Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in a genuinely huge manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81%, showing what by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a downfall of 0.81%, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, which basically is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time period, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Sold the really local coin of Solana generally is somewhere around 5 and presently exchanging at $104.74, so market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,786,952,369,650, exceptionally further appearance how Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth. Extremely further appearance how Algorand support and opposition levels and so on in a kind of large manner. Moreover, XRP came to 52 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 3.08% in esteem, or so they generally thought. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a fundamentally descending bearing for present moment, which really is very critical. Right now, an essentially broad fundamentally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly shows that as far as Algo support floor, it in a real sense is currently 29 cents, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to essentially recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they most certainly thought. Support really is a level at which purchasers truly become essentially more genuinely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value decline of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers for the most part move genuinely dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which explicitly shows that Algorand's EMA10 explicitly shows a truly descending pattern in a kind of significant manner. Following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The extremely current Algorand cost really is 18 cents, with an exchanging volume of $58,270,060 in the by and large beyond 24 hours, which certainly shows that. Furthermore, XRP came to 52 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.08% in esteem, which especially is very huge. Right now, Algo by and large is somewhere near 0.52% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,417,025,492 United States dollars, so Algo in every way that really matters rose 9.12% in 7 days, which especially is genuinely huge. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Investigation for 12 February 2024, inside an everyday time period, basically made sense of beneath, exhibiting how support fundamentally is a level at which purchasers sort of become genuinely more kind of dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum essentially has seen a value reduction of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. We utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving kind of normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Algorand. Exhibiting how Algorand backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to recognize extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. The Algorand for the most part has sort of break all its particularly upholds levels and things in a real sense are not looking certainly great for the crypto market, by and large further appearance, how yet prior to jumping truly profound into the Algo specialized examination, for the most part allowed us truly to discuss the sort of current economic situations. Or so they in a real sense thought. Right now, for the most part bears in every practical sense are in charge of the market and effectively in a real sense take Algo cost underneath the vital help level of 29 cents, showing how which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81%. Exhibiting what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a downfall of 0.81% in an unobtrusive manner. While Algo's Williams %R pointer sort of is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange genuinely signal in a real sense is certainly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that as far as Algo support floor, it generally is presently 29 cents in a sort of significant manner. The Algo United States dollar moving truly normal combination and uniqueness MACD marker especially is showing a present moment essentially sell truly signal, as the MACD line explicitly is moving underneath truly